Step touch variations. We're going to do a touch forward and a touch back. First, the touch forward is going to come from this type of kicking motion. Try it out. You're standing on one foot and you're sweeping your leg forward and up, thinking about the inside edge of your leg and foot. You can see it from a different angle. This is much like kicking a soccer ball if you've ever done that. It's that inside edge of the foot. If you kept it on the floor, it would be scraping forward like so. Try it on the other side, still the inside edge of the foot. As your leg goes forward, the arm on the same side goes back. Just like walking, your arms go opposite your legs. Try kicking on this side as well. This is different than kicking straight forward like this. What we're going for is a diagonal kick. The straight forward kick keeps your leg straight in front of you, in line with your hips. It's a different thing than what we're doing right now. Instead, we're doing this diagonal kick, thinking about the inside of the leg, the inside edge of the foot going forward. And this tends to create a natural twist through your body. Try it on the other side as well. Really see if you can get the arms to swing opposite the legs. Now we're going to take this into step touch. For our forward touch, we're going to bring our free leg, the one we're not standing on, diagonally forward, just like we did in our kick. Your arms and upper body are still swinging opposite your leg. So we step and bring it forward diagonally. Step, bring it forward diagonally. Now try it really small and then try it bigger. With music in rhythm. Still thinking about the inside edge of your foot coming forward and allowing your elbows to swing opposite your legs. For our touch back, find the runner pose. Your arms are still going to oppose your legs, just as they did before. So you have one leg going back and the same side arm going forward. If you were running somewhere and froze after a step, you would be in this pose. Your weight is on the front leg. The back leg is just touching back. Try a few repetitions of this. Using the runner pose, we now have a new step touch variation, our step touch back. Your arms are still going to go opposite your legs. So as your leg touches back, the same side arm goes forward.